Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, hello, I am Mrs. Frizz. I am the owner of Mrs. Frizz & Co., a small handcrafted candle brand located in Ontario, Canada. On this channel, we talk about everything from making candles and like products to a behind the scenes look at owning your own small handcrafted brand. If that is something that interests you, I would love for you to hit subscribe and come back next week. I post new videos every Friday. I'm somewhere kind of different. This is where I typically film, but I'm working on some shelving. So there is a whole bunch of IKEA mess behind me. Hopefully I'm going to have that cleared up soon. Another week of this is not what I was going to post, but I've just been on such a kick lately. I made another order. Oh my, thing's falling. I made another order. This is a new supplier to me, so I'm so excited. I haven't even looked in the box yet. I did cut it open for ease, but yeah, this is from Kulig Aromatiques in Quebec. I don't know if I'm saying that properly, but hopefully. I'm excited. I've heard lots of great things about this supplier. I also am really excited. I believe she's just outside Montreal or she's in Montreal. Anyways, we have family in Montreal, so we typically go there a couple times a year, and I am hoping I can get to her storefront this summer. Where I am in Ontario, we have no storefronts. It's, you're always blind buying. So I'm really excited to possibly be able to get into a storefront. Okay, so couple things this morning where I am. It is summer vacation. I have a 5-year-old in my fridge right now, and I have a baby contained to her activity center. I don't know what the little Frizzes are going to be like. So bear with me. Let's try and get through this as fast as we can. What I did was order a bunch of samplers. Cute. Thank you so much for your purchase. I love these. Oh yeah, and I got a ton of points. Like, you know, this is, oh, these are cute. Oh, they're very cute. Her packaging is cute. Oh, this is cute. This is great. I'm happy. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. So what did I order? I ordered the summer collection sampler pack. Listen, it was just because she was having a sale and it was like buy one, get one 30% off. So I did a fall collection sampler pack, a cozy collection sampler pack, and the winter collection sampler pack. And then I needed one more because I wanted to do the 30% off business. So I did the summer collection sampler pack, and I figured, you know what? Even if I'm not going to use them this summer, because obviously I'm kind of past that, I'll know for next year, you know? A fragrance oil company created by makers for makers. I love this. Paraben, phthalate free. Oh, and can we talk about shipping for 1 second? Avery, can you give your little sister a piece, please? Can we talk about shipping for just a second? Because can I tell you how impressed I was? I'm in Ontario. She's in Quebec. I ordered this like late on a Thursday night. It was at my door on Saturday. And it was a long weekend. So I was impressed. I don't even know. Wow, this is amazing. You get a lot in here. Okay, there's little, oh, okay, I see what I'm looking at now. Summer. Okay, so guys, I don't think we're going to open all of these today because that would be crazy talk. Why don't we look at the fall collection and the cozy collection? And I'm going to put the winter and the summer. You know, it's a lot. It's a lot. And for anybody who's watched my last couple videos, it's not like I'm some like nose guru over here. So my descriptions may not be the best. So this is how they come. I have no idea how much is in here. These look like more than, 2 ounces, I guess. Yeah. 2 ounces. I'm assuming these are 2 ounce bottles. I really should do more research when I buy things. But honestly, I was just so excited. So, wow, that was dark. Okay, so Accord Oud, Irish coffee cream. Okay, let's look at the scents here. In the fall collection, we have Accord Oud, cashmere, cozy sweater, Irish coffee cream, mahogany teakwood, pumpkin spice latte, s'mores by the fire, and toasted hazelnut. Oh, these are good. I'm excited. I'm going to start with cozy sweater because it's in front of me. I love when people tape, you know. I mean, that's extra. It's extra work for them. But for me, oh, and there's also like a little, oh, wait, is that supposed to be there? I don't know. Is that, okay. This is cozy sweater. Let's see my first Kulig Aromatiques experience. I'm so excited. Yeah, smells like fall. Okay, cozy sweater. Definitely smells like fall. Definitely patchouli. I don't know what else is in that. It's more floral than I would think. But there's also something like warm in it. Musky. I don't know. Yeah, okay, that's different. That's not what I was expecting. It's very fall though, so we'll say that. And the nice thing, I'm sitting at an adult table today, because if you saw my video last week, you know that I was sitting on my couch and I was just throwing fragrance oils to the wayside when I was done sniffing them. And oh yeah, that is I love that. I don't know. I mean, I should probably not be using my finger for that, but here we go. Okay. I spilled like a whole pack of fragrance oil all over my table. Needless to say, it smelled very good over there. It actually still smells very good over there. It's been a week. This is S'mores by the Fire. And this, I love that. Oh, there's like a nice marshmallow in there, I think. I don't know. Listen, also, take what I say, like I said, this nose knows nothing. It's, oh, that baby. That's delicious. S'mores by the Fire. That's a contender for sure. It smells marshmallowy, caramel, maybe a hint of smoke. Oh, that is so good. Okay, I like that one. Let's try the Accord Oud. Didn't use my finger on that one. Oh, that's different. Oh, that's really nice. Accord Oud. It's like definitely some kind of like smoke or tobacco or, but like almost like a berry. Okay, that is. I really like that one. Okay. Wow. How many? I'm sorry. So I've already done 3. I get 3 more and then 6, 7, 8. So there's 8. I just want to see how much this cost. 8. This fall collection, right? That's what I'm doing. The fall collection was $62. You get 8 2-ounce. So that's a really good deal. Oh my God, guys. Plus I saved an additional $10 off of $100. There's all kinds of deals on this purchase. I'm very impressed right now. Obviously, I want to see how they perform. But for now, like, I'm just impressed. Okay, I don't think this is going to work because I have a baby screaming in the background. I don't think she's going to let me get through all of these scents. So I'm just going to do a couple more. We're going to call this a really quick Kulig first impression. I would love to know in the comments. Have you guys ordered from Kulig before? That's Irish coffee cream. And coffee. You know, I find it so difficult to find a good coffee scent. Does anybody have a really good coffee oil that they use? Because I use one espresso, roasted espresso from Village, and it's the only one that I find is actually like smells like coffee beans. That definitely has some good coffee base in there. Oh, I like that. Okay. Oh, this is hard. Guys, I already have so many that I like for fall, and now I have so many more. Oh no. What are we going to do? This is why we are ordering our scents in June and July, because this is what's going to happen. We're not going to know what we're doing. We are going to want to test a lot of these. I like that these come in 2-ounce samplers because with the Village Craft and Candle White, when you buy the sample kits, you get 1 ounce. And it's not really enough to do much with. At least with this, I could make a couple wax melts and a candle. Oh my goodness, cashmere. Oh, I'm obsessed. That is so good. Oh. Yes, I love everything about that. Oh my God, I'm so happy right now. Like, I really wanted to like these, and I really like them. And I have so many more to go through. Like, this is just the tip of the iceberg. I love that. I don't know what the heck's in it, but it is. It just smells like clean and fresh and like, oh, I want to wrap myself up in it. That is good. Okay, toasted hazelnut. Let's see what toasted hazelnut brings us. I love the packaging. Like, I love that they're packaged. Like, there's an extra little thing here. And I love that they're taped. I know lots of suppliers tape, but I've never seen that little plastic flappy. Oh, that's really nice too. Toasted hazelnut. It's a little bit like almost fruitier or something than I would have anticipated. It's like there's like a fruit in here, something. In a minute, Dave. My 5-year-old wants to be in the video.
Hey, did you just say don't worry about Avery? Oh, you guys should worry about me.
I love that. But yeah, toasted hazelnut. I definitely wasn't anticipating it having like a fruity or like berry or something smell, but that's good. Okay, now here's the real test, guys. We know I don't like pumpkin. So let's see what pumpkin spice latte. Nothing against Kulig. This is purely a me problem. I am not a PSL girly. Okay, little film's giving me some problems. It's fine. Okay. Oh yeah, hit in the face with pumpkin. There it is. Let's see. Oh yeah, yeah. Exactly what it should smell like. So I'm not mad at it. It's not my favorite, but I know there's a fly in here. Week 1 of summer vacation. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. We start camp next week. Okay, pumpkin spice. It smells pumpkin-y. Like maybe a bit of clove or cinnamon. It's very on brand for what a PSL I would imagine would smell like. This is mahogany teakwood. So a fairly well-known scent. Oh, this one's entirely different. This one's got a like one of those foamy things. Oh, am I dumb? They all probably had that, and then just the plastic part. Excuse me. This is my first coffee today. I don't know. Anyways, I've still never seen where like the little plastic piece stays there. Like, I just feel like it's giving me an extra level of protection, sealant protection, if you will. Okay, so mahogany teakwood. I mean, she's famous. We know her. Bath and Body Works, obviously. I think every supplier has a mahogany teakwood, and that's it. I use something similar to this from Lark. Yeah, that's mahogany. That's teakwood. That is Man Cave. That's delicious. That smells like my husband after a shower. Highly recommend. Okay. Oh my God. So honestly, I loved all of these. Wow, that was, I love that. I think if we open another one, it's going to be a little too much. I don't think we need to open so many today. Oh, what do? I need to plan these videos better. I might not open more next week. Is it like, you guys have to be sick of watching this. Okay. I think that's where I'm going to leave it today. I'm going to leave it at the fall collection. Avery, come here for a second. Do you want to smell a couple of these? Come stand over here. You want to smell some of these?
Yeah, I'm gonna smell this.
You want to smell this one? This is called Cozy Sweater.
Okay.
Yeah, you like that one? Okay, what about this one? This is called S'mores by the Fire.
I don't want to leave that one.
You don't want to leave that one?
It smells
So good, huh?
Yeah, I love that.
Okay, and what about this one? Mommy loves this one. This is called Cashmere. You like that one? Yeah, that's so good. Okay, and try this one. Toasted hazelnut. You like that one? What's your favorite one?
S'mores on
The S'mores by the Fire. Yeah. Okay, winner. You heard it here. S'mores by the Fire is number 1. I'm going to leave it there, guys, because honestly, like I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I thought I was going to like just tear through all of these. And I have a screaming baby in the background who is sick of her activity and would like to be removed. So we're going to stop there. I'm going to say this is an insane deal. I cannot wait to play with these. I'm going to make some melts, and you know what? I'm going to make some candles. So we will definitely be talking about that shortly. I don't know what I'm doing with the rest of these collections yet. Hey guys, future Mrs. Frizz here. I realized that I stopped filming my video a little abruptly. My mother-in-law got here to take me and the girls out for lunch, and I didn't get back to it, so I had no conclusion. I just wanted to say my first impressions of Kulig is A tier, like so great. I'm so excited to play with these oils, and I can't wait to smell everything else. I don't know if I'm gonna do any more of these for now. I do have the cozy and the winter collections. I don't know. I just feel like I've been smelling a lot of things, and I have a bunch of other content that I want to share. But what I would love to know is, have you used Kulig before? Are there other suppliers that I should be trying? I'm loving these sampler packs. Let me know in the comments below. And as always, I would love it if you'd hit like and subscribe and come back for the next one. I will see you guys next week. Bye, candle friends.